Welcome back to our channel. How to become a millionaire. Becoming a millionaire requires a mix of smart financial habits, disciplined investing, and sometimes entrepreneurial effort. Here's a step-by-step approach. 1. Increase your income. Start a high-paying career. Choose a profession with growth potential. Tech, finance, medicine, etc. Side hustles. Freelancing, online, businesses, content creation, or consulting can bring extra income. Invest in skills. The more valuable you become, the higher you can charge for your work. 2. Save aggressively. Live below your means, cut unnecessary expenses and save aggressively. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to savings and investment accounts. 3. Invest wisely. Stock market. Invest in index funds, stocks or ETFs with long-term growth potential. Real estate. Buying and renting properties can generate passive income. Start a business. Many millionaires build wealth by owning successful businesses. Crypto and other assets. Be cautious, but consider diversifying into alternative investments. 4. Leverage compounding. Start investing early and let compound interest grow your wealth over time. Reinvest profits rather than spending them. 5. Minimize debt and taxes. Avoid high-interest debt, like credit cards. Use legal tax-saving strategies, retirement accounts, business deductions, etc. 6. Network and learn. Connect with successful people who can guide you. Read books on finance, investing, and business. For example, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Millionaire Next Door. 7. Stay disciplined and patient. Becoming a millionaire usually takes years, so be consistent. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Focus on sustainable wealth building. Thank you so much